Okay guys, here we are, math lesson 39. We are almost done with module 4. So after spring break, we're gonna start module 5. I know you're really probably excited about that, and we'll get you a new module book so you'll get something different. And yeah, let's get started on lesson 39. So to start off, you can see on the board, also you'll need your problem set book, a pencil, and paper today. So go grab those materials, and then let's get started. So we have a tree here, and this is going to be my apple tree. And what we're working on today is how much more to make 10. That's the main concept of all of our work today, is we're going to have a number, and we need to figure out how much more or how many more to get the total of 10. So in our last lesson, 38, we were also working a lot on 10 facts and building up that knowledge, and this is kind of another way to work on learning tens. So I'm going to roll a dice, and I rolled a 2. So I'm going to draw 2 apples in my tree. If you want to draw an apple tree right along with me, that'd be awesome. You can get a paper, a pencil. Remember, these are just Ishley drawings, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So I drew 2 apples in my tree. Now, how many more apples do I need to make 10? So let's read the sentence. I have 2. I need, here's my mystery number, more to make 10. So there's a couple different ways you can figure this out. Maybe you can quickly know your number bond parts, right? If I did a quick number bond, 10 is going to be the whole, and I have 2. If I know what matches with 2 to make 10, then I'll know right away. If I don't, maybe I could use my fingers. I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe I can figure it out that way. If I want to do it visually by drawing out the rest of the story, maybe I'll draw X's for the rest of the apples I need. So those are the 2 apples I have, and the X's are how many more I need. And then I can count from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's no longer a mystery number because the answer is 8. I have 2 apples. I need 8 more apples to make 10. Okay, let's try it again. And then if I want to fill in that missing part of that number bond, right? So if I want to fill it again, I'll grab this little baby eraser, perfect for erasing small areas. Let's try it again. I'll roll the dice again and see what I get. Okay, this time I rolled a 5. So let me draw 5 apples on my tree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5. Now I can make a number bond for this one also. And again, go through the different strategies you have to figure out the last part. I have 5 apples. I need how many more, mystery number, to make 10? So let's do the same thing with X's to finish the tree. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm drawing it in the 5 group way. That should be another clue of when I have 10, because 10 would be 5 and 5, right? So I have 5, and I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more to make 10 apples. I have 5. I need 5 more to make 10. Make sense? Okay, let's try it one more time, and then we'll practice it a few more ways. So I'm going to roll the die again. Oh, this time I got 6. So I'm going to draw 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So those are my 6 apples that I have. I have 6. Now I need to draw the rest in, and I'll do X's again so it's really clear what I have and what I need. 7, 8, 9, 10. So looking at my tree, how many of you can figure out how many more apples I need to finish the sentence? I have 6. I need 4 more to make 10? Awesome. And if I want to do the number bond for this one, the whole is 10, 4 and 6 are the parts. Great. Now let's review the same concept with our flashcards. So if I hold up a flashcard, there's always 2 dots. And now I want you to imagine there's 10. So how many more dots are needed to make 10? So let's start with a bigger number. That will be easier. So look, think, wait for the snap, snap. There's 8 dots here. How many more do I need to make 10? So I have 8, and I need how many more, these spots right here, to be filled in to make 10? If you know the answer, shout it out. 2. Nice job. 2 more to make 10. Okay, snap. There's 3. How many more do I need to make 10? Shout out the answer. 7. Nice. Okay. Snap. 4 dots. How many more dots to make it a 10 card? Shout out the answer. 6. Oh, this one I'm going to try to trick you. Do you need any more to make 10? What would the answer be? Shout it out. 0. Awesome. We'll just do 2 more. How many dots? Snap. How many more to make 10? Shout out the answer. 5. That was one of our examples on the apple tree, right? And the last one. How many dots? Snap. How many more to make 10? Shout out the answer. 8. Awesome job. So both of these activities, the tree and our flashcards, we're working on the same concept. How many more to make 10? So we're going to do 2 word problem stories doing the same thing. So let me erase our tree. And I'm not going to need the sentence. So get your paper and your pencil and you can draw the story out with me so that way you can keep doing your math work also and make sure you're understanding the concepts. So the first story is about Tim. Tim has 10 friends. So here's the 10 friends. I'm going to draw 1, 2. It'd be great if you draw the 10 friends also. And remember, math is quick drawings. If you don't want to draw people, you can do something else to represent them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. He has 10 friends. Because remember, we're working on how many more to make 10. How many more apples? How many more dots? So Tim has 10 friends. And they're all playing soccer. And it's a hot, sunny day. And it's time for a snack. The break, halftime. So Tim has 7 oranges. So I'm going to draw 7 oranges right underneath each person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Uh-oh, Tim has a problem. This person has an orange, this person, this person, this person, this person, this person, this person. But what about these people? He doesn't have enough oranges. There's not enough. But how could he get enough? What could we do to make sure there are enough oranges for everybody? We could add some more oranges. So back to our question, Tim has 7 oranges. How many more does he need to make 10, which would be enough for every person? So you can easily figure that out with this drawing because we can see these people right here don't have oranges. 1, 2, 3. He's missing 3 oranges. He's short or less 3. He needs 3 more so that all his friends could have an orange. So the number bond for this problem still working on the idea of 10 as a whole. He had 7. He needs 3 more oranges. Okay, so let's do one more story. Now this story is about a kitten. Well, kittens and their mom. So the mother kitten, so let's draw, I'm gonna draw just quick cats. There's 10 kittens at home. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Similar to the fact that we had 10 friends on Tim's soccer team. Now there's 10 kittens at home and they're all hungry for dinner. So Mama Cat went out and went hunting and she brought, she brought 6 fish home for her kittens to eat. So let's draw 6 fish for the kittens to eat. And I'm just gonna draw a quick fish. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 fish came home for dinner that night. Uh-oh. That means there's gonna be some hungry kittens though. Is there enough fish for all her kittens? No, there isn't enough. We need more. So how many more do we need? 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 4 more. So Mama Cat needs 4 more fish for her kittens, and Tim needed 3 more oranges for his friends. Let's do a number bond for this one. So the whole is still 10. She wants 10 fish. She only had 6. She needs 4 more. Now, when she adds 4 more, she'll have enough. 6 and 4 makes 10. And if Tim gets 3 more oranges, 7 and 3 will make 10 oranges. Now it's time for a problem set. So open up to lesson 39, which is pages 398 and 399. And as you can see with a quick look, it's all working on filling in some number bonds. So this should be very easy review for everybody. So the first direction says, draw dots to make 10. Just like we drew X's for more fish, X's for more oranges, we drew apples and X's to make more apples. Draw dots to make 10 and fill in the number bond. So the first one, count how many dots there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you want to make sure it's a 10 card. So you draw 1 circle and then you fill in your parts. 9 and 1. Okay? Now the next one. You see how many dots there are? Finish making dots until it's a full 10 card. And then fill in your parts. 10, 8, and 2. Same here, same here, same here. Fill in the rest of the dots to make 10 and then match the number bond. Fill in the dots to make 10 and match the number bond. Fill in the dots to make 10, fill in the number bond. And it's the same thing on the second page. All different combinations. Fill in the dots to make a 10 card and then the number bond. Dots, number bond, dots, number bond, dots, number bond. And in the bottom, there is adding, 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 adding. Okay, 4 simple addition problems. And that's it, guys, for lesson 39. I know we have one more page for lesson 40, and then there's one more lesson without any problem set. And as I said in the beginning of the lesson, we will start module 5 after spring break. Okay, bye, mathematicians.